Hey everyone, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing, and today I'm going to talk about the most common mistake when it comes to organizing your home. What I see is that people will go out and buy organizing products with the best of intentions, but it doesn't work for their current solution. So now you have organizing product and an unorganized space, and it just creates more clutter. In order to avoid this common pitfall, my best advice is to try not to purchase anything until you've done your declutter phase. And what I mean by that is, like, let's just say we're working on a linen closet, right? So I'm gonna pull out all my linens, I'm gonna sort them, I'm gonna categorize them, I'm gonna itemize them by type, maybe by size, maybe by room, all these pillows or, linens, things of that nature. Once I can see everything that I have, now's the time to edit or to get rid of things I no longer want or need. And if I can get rid of maybe the old pillows, or do I need to wash them, or sheets or what have you, now I am left with only the items that I want to put back into this linen closet. At that point, I would take a nice inventory of what I have and think about the product solutions that are out there for these types of products, or maybe just a bin that fits within your linen closet, and do some measurements. Think about the aesthetic that you want. Do you want see-through bins? Do you want, if we're talking linens, do you want one of those fabric bins that zips up? Do you want a band that goes around it? Do you just want it to look very aesthetically pleasing, like maybe just some bins with labels? Do we want to be able to see what's inside? You have to make those decisions on what you think you will use, what you will put back, and also what makes sense to you and your family. So once we know that, that's when we put in the order, that's when we shop. And then implementing that, you can put everything in before you get the product. Just put little placeholders, post-it notes work great, maybe some masking tape, whatever you need to do to label it. And then once that order comes in, you're gonna install, put everything back in the bins, label it, you are good to go. So avoid that most common pitfall when organizing by not ordering any product or shopping for product until you know exactly what's gonna live in that space. All right, I'll see you next time.